Some of the marketing trends that I see for 2025 is going to be multi-channel booking. Being able to use the booking widgets. We've seen more people scheduling through things like Schedule Engine online and booking those appointments online, as well as other booking widgets, SMS, or chatbots on your website. Number two is going to be AI. It's going to be the personalization of what you can do as far as sending out text messages, having AI responders, whether it be for Yelp or your LSAs or any of those different things. So that way you can stay in touch with the customers and have that speed to service. The other thing is going to be AI search. So as it continues, right now, ChatGPT's put out their search. You're going to see in Google, they have Gemini and they have their little AI overviews that are going on. It's rumored right now that Meta is going to be coming out with its own search engine. That's an AI search engine as well. You have Perplexity. So many of these that are out there right now, and they can do so much for you. And I find myself going to them way more often than Google now because it gets me the information that I'm looking for quickly. Something to note on those is they don't pull from your Google Business Profile all the time. They pull from other citations as well, like Yelp, Angie's List. Same with voice. If somebody's using voice to search, a lot of times it's going to be pulling from Yelp. I know a lot of contractors don't have the greatest taste in their mouth about Yelp, but guess what? You need to change your mind because it is what is on every single Apple phone when they use Maps. Number three is going to be smart homes. So smart home devices, I think, are going to continue to go into homes and give you more information so that way you're able to service your customers and understand what's going on with their systems. Number four, subscription-based models. If you don't have a subscription set up already, you need to have one. When I say a subscription, you could call it a membership as well. You need that recurring revenue. It makes it so that way you have the same customers. They're already paying you. They know that you're their plumbing company, you're their HVAC company, you're their roofer. Whatever service you might offer, you need to have something set up where you're doing regular maintenance as well for them, because what that'll do is they're allowing you to continue to market to them and to be their person for any time that something happens. Number five, last thing is going to be leveraging traditional media. Right now, if you're not leveraging traditional media, a lot of people are scared of it. They just don't think that it works because you can't measure it like you can online. Need to go through, make sure that you're really getting that branding down, because that's what I see a lot of home service companies do is they don't brand a lot. Brand awareness is still very, very important and should be about 30 to 40% of your marketing budget. So leveraging the traditional media, whether that be TV, radio, mail, and I'm not talking about just your regular TV, I'm talking about streaming, I'm talking about streaming videos, I'm talking about streaming radio, streaming podcast, all of those. You can advertise on all of that. And that's what's going to be happening in 2025 and a lot more.